Hey y'all, you just seen my video where the skunk was in my coop last night, and I just got to thinking, I'll let the skunk protect my chickens tonight. That was a mistake on my part. Let me show you what we just discovered here a little bit ago. Right out here in my yard, the one my daughter called pigeon. A lot of brightness. Let's see if I can, there's breastbone over here, the legs, um, feathers all around here. Put over to here, chunk of feather. Am I blaming the critter that did this? No, I'm blaming me. I look around on over here, and that's a bit from the coop. No feathers along between that and the coop. That's probably about 40 feet away from the coop. I came out here and I looked this morning, and I didn't notice these feathers at the chicken coop this morning when I came out here and looked. So anyway, I don't know if this happened this morning after I came out to the chicken coop or if it happened during the night. But here, let me show you here. I know my shadow's trying to get in the way. I can't even tell on the screen if you can see all the feathers through here, all the gray feathers. A bunch of them down in here and over here. Then I open up the chicken coop here, and we got a bunch of gray feathers flowing all around on here. So whatever it was, it did get my feathers. It started right here in the chicken coop. What I don't know is, as you can see over here, I do have one egg this morning. There was no eggs when I first checked it, so I don't know if this chicken was got during the daytime. I didn't notice it, or if it happened during the nighttime. I did leave the chicken coop open all night. Figured that would be safe enough with a skunk on in there. I don't know if this happened during the daytime, nighttime, or what. But I will say that this did happen underneath my watch. So the critter is not at fault. I'm going to have to make sure next time that I just go ahead and get the skunk on out, or lock the skunk inside the chicken coop. Because no, skunks do not attack chickens. Not here in this area. Now maybe in the area where you're at, maybe so. But I'd be better off locking the skunk into the chicken coop, and so would if I lose an egg or two. That's not a big loss, but I don't like losing my chickens. So that's what's happened here. I don't blame the critter, I blame myself. It's my responsibility to see to it that they have a safe spot to sleep at nighttime, and if this happened at nighttime, well, I messed up because I didn't lock them up. Did this happen during the daytime when she went in and laid that egg and then something went on in there? Possibly. I don't know. But this is just the facts of life, what happens on out there. Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye.